Assalamualaikum. So today we will be discussing about what is the most common challenge that international students experience when they studying abroad. So first, Akila, what is your opinion
Okay.
about this challenge?
Okay. Thank you, Roida, for your intro. So, today I would like to talk about the most common challenge that international students experience when study abroad. So, first of all, is feeling homesick. Why I say that? Because feeling homesick means a strong wish to be home and to be surrounded by familiar and friendly things. With easy words, we can say that students miss the things they find comfort in, such as the coach in their living rooms and or annoying yet loving sibling. Other than that, they have to live 1,000 miles away from their friends and family too. So with these feelings, it can make typical symptoms for students, such as it can be in sadness or lack of appetite. So this common challenge is actually always happens to students who study when study abroad. So how to deal with it? We can deal with by using technology, because nowadays we are living in technology world. We can use it to contact our families and friends too. So with that way, they can take advantage to use social media this time when far away from their families and friends. So with that way, they can keep in touch with each other, and also they can know what's going on or what's happening in their home, their hometown. So that's my opinion. How about you, Nurul?
Okay. I think this carry abroad is the language barrier, because even if you go to a country, the majority of people speak English, there will be people who doesn't really understand what you're trying to say. Let's say in the other thing, when lecturers speak the language of the common in the classroom, as a student Malaysian, you can understand what the lecturer going to say and what you going to respond, what you going to ask. You can understand how the communication when other students loud and you just speak loud, but even though you do not understand what they are doing, so there will be difficult to all Malaysian students, because they not really use English in everyday life. So my tip is to eliminate this problem are to stay calm and try to speak basic English. So Malaysian students must to try to avoid using the slang you are used to in Malaysia. Okay, I think that's all my opinion. So what do you say, Reda? For me, I think the most common challenge for international student is that about the culture differences. Because for me, once they arrive at the foreign country, it is totally changed. The culture, the language, the food, the society, everything will be changed. So for me, it is a bit more like, for them will be a bit more like culture shock. First, because like what Nurul has said before, about languages, which sometimes some students might find it so hard, because even though like what Nurul has just said, even though most of country will speak English, but there's still some people who not 100% understand English. So that's why it's kind of problems. And then for like other than that, it's about like their something that they eat. For example, like Japanese people, they usually eat sushi and maybe their traditional food. But when Japanese come to Malaysia, when students from Japanese come to Malaysia for studying, find something new. For example, like food, like they have they find something new like food. For example, like nasi lemak, nasi ayam, nasi minyak. Sometimes we in Malaysia also had that kind of meal, that kind of food for our breakfast. So maybe that what makes them feel a bit culture shock. So and then next one is, I think, about how socializing is very different from maybe for their country it's a bit different, and when they come to our country it's a bit different. So yeah, that's what I think of. And my solution for students who come to our country or any other foreigner country for studying, my tips for them is that just be yourself and do not hesitate to communicate, and don't be scared of people. Don't be scared of being judged, because the more you make mistakes, the more you can learn. And especially about culture, you can learn with the culture and try to adapt with the culture. So that's all about my opinion.
Okay, thank you, Aida, for your opinion. So after we discuss about these tips, so what you guys think the most common challenge that international students experience when study abroad? How about you, Nurul?
Okay, I state on my opinion because language barrier is the first challenge that student had when they first thing when they arrive to another country. Of course, they try so hard to speak, especially for example in Japan, when the student arrive there and when to talk with receptionist hotel or to hotel manager that student lives. So it might be so difficult when you do not understand what they're going to say, what you want to respond, what you want to speak for. So I think the language barrier is the most challenging to other students, because there must be some of them lack communication, for information about the other language country. So what about you, Raweda?
Yes. For me, after making all the summaries and discussion, I think language barrier also will be the most challenging part for international student who studying abroad, because for culture we might going to we can learn, and we can day by day or time by time we can still adapt. We can try to adapt with the culture, but when it comes to language, it's going to be a bit hard, because it takes time for us to understand foreigner language, especially for students who just started to learn something new. So for them it might be a little bit hard. So I think that's all.
Okay, for my opinion, the most common challenge that international students experience when study abroad, I agree with know your opinion. It is because language barriers, because when they came to another work in another countries, they might lack of communication, because when they want to communicate to get help to go some place, they can speak in their countries that they going to study. So they when they want to ask help, it's quite difficult for them. That's my opinion. So anything else do you want to add, or else want to talk?
I think no.
That's all.
Oh, that's all.
That's all.
Okay, thank you guys for your time. Hope you guys enjoy your day and stay safe at home, okay?
Okay, bye.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye. So,